Ayan guys. Yan si Kenny. Binigyan tayo ng ano, na gift bird niya. Ayan yung gift bird niya sa atin. Binigay ni Kenneth.
Here's your mum.
And
There's the mother.
the mother. Yeah, that's the mother.
416.
How's the kill? Oh, the same birds. All the birds are the same, eh?
They got it, well, they're a family, so they'll be like peas in a pod.
That's the mother of these youngsters.
Yeah.
Oh, nice eye.
Nice eye on it too.
Yun, nakita nyo naman. Binigay niya sa atin.
That's all 22. This is the old fella of yours. This is the grandfather of that youngster.
That's the grandfather of my youngsters.
Yep. He's
How old?
2005. So
Oh,
that makes him 17 years old.
Still fertile.
I got two youngsters, did I say? Two youngsters last year. They're merely cock. That's the father of your one. And a hen. Look at that white eye. He's been getting picked on. See his head?
Ganda pa rin
That's,
yung hipon.
no, that blue bar was the son.
Okay.
Tanda na, pero... He's still handles small, that one.
Yeah.
Yan. 16 years old, di ba? 16 years old.
2005.
Now that's another grandfather. He's on his one as well.
That
22ers. Yeah. And he's a 2000.
John Norris.
Yeah, that's the John Norris cop, and that's old 22.
Oh, kid definitely felt the age of it.
Yeah, but he's holding his age well for 17, and that one's 16.
Yan, nakakapag-produce pa, no?
When was the last time you did this?
2 years ago. This is the cop. He's got one youngster.
Ginip pa.
Original niya to na Voss janssen.
Ayan na, kinikip niya talaga, no?
They look the same. Same eyes.
In fact, the body structure is all the same, eh?
Hey,
The body structure.
because they're a family of birds. When they're all the same, they're a family. That's old 22.
Popcorn, no?
This is his last son. That's the last pigeon I got out of it. I got him and the hen, and I put them straight to stock. Yeah. Oh yeah. The last. Because every other egg I got off that old fella dead
2006.
wouldn't hatch.
Straight to the wall.
Galing ah.
Straight in, Kimmy.
Yeah, they got a land to go straight in. You don't want them sitting around because you don't clock them in if they don't land.
Or if they're flying around too much.
You feel this youngster, that's the last youngster of 22. I've got him mated to a hen that's off Dave Driver's birds.
You know that stickleback that I got from you?
Yep.
Did he produce anything good from?
Yeah, they'll get it.
I paired,
The blue cock's in there.
I paired it up,
18.
but the
2018.
hen's not playing anymore, so I
Okay.
gave the hen to a younger.
Oh, ito sila guys, oh. Yan. Mga original na janssen.
That'll work.
Voss janssen.
That's his
Original
baby
Voss
there.
janssen. Ni Voss
That one.
Kenny.
Yeah.
Just a single?
Yeah. All my stock birds only had single filled eggs this time round.
Yan. Simple na yung look niya. Ito yung mga ibon. May pasisiw ako dyan. May pasingsing ako dyan. Yan. Sa akin yan yung yan. Yan. Yan sa akin yan. Pinasingsingan ko sa kanya. Bali may apat pa, tatlo pa akong singsing niya na ano. Nasisingsingan niya. binibigay niya sa akin. Yan. Lahat yan, nakikita nyo, puro Janssen yan, Voss Janssen. Ito yung cockbird niya. Yan yung cock. Can I take filming, Kenny? Short film on it?
No, they're dirty. I can't show a dirty lot. That's why I'm going to clean them out today. Because when they're breeding, I tend to leave them alone. Too much human interference when you're trying to breed. That's probably what you're doing. You're too much interference.
Are you trying to scandal them?
Are you in there all the time?
Yeah.
Yeah. Stay away from the lot.
Oh.
Stay away when they're breeding. Don't go standing in their wash. Hey, baby. Hey, girls. Oh, baby.
Puro Voss Janssen na.
I'll show you your youngster.
Yan.
Don't plug inside.
Just outside, Kenny.
That's the mother. Oh no, is that the young run? Oh, that's the young run cock. That's the one that come back from the racing. That's yours.
Wow. Sa akin yung ibigay niya daw. Yan. KRPC.
KRPC 244. Oh, 444.
Yeah.
And then there's. I better put rings on these two today.
That's mine as well.
Yep.
Wow. That's mine as well.
I better put rings on them too.
Thanks, Kenny.
I'll do that today actually.
Yun.
What's that blue bar at the top, Kenny?
Narinig nyo naman, bibigyan niya sa akin. Yan.
That one up there.
Up the very top.
Is that off that old 22 as well?
No, that's off half my old Janssen family that I had down in Dunedin.
Oh, right.
Which is the what's his name? The curtain line of Janssen's.
Is that the heater inside, Kenny? Or the lights only?
That's the lights. Yeah.
Yun. The
I better
Janssen.
ring those two youngsters today because I've got 2 rings of yours left.
Yeah,
I'll
2
put
rings.
them on that cock. And these guys will come down and have
Oh, I need to tell Peter to buy a clock. Yeah.
Yeah, just get. What are you going to go for, a G2 or an M1?
What is the best?
For you just need a G2.
It's not
What do you reckon, Ken? A G2 or a G1?
G2 should be
An
fine.
M1. I think a G2 is one.
I mean, if it's rich, you can go M3 if you want.
Come on. Yeah, I don't know what he was doing a deal for those G2s a while ago, so I don't know.
I think $600 or like $900 with the 4-fuel.
Does include the
Antenna.
the antenna
The pad, yeah.
and then the pad. $600.
No,
I think it's about 900.
900.
Oh, fuck! I can ring Peter to buy that.
You'll be doing a bit of overtime to get that then, eh?
Or no?
But he's got a new station for me. The old station that I brought. Not very.
Hey guys. Light up.
Fuck, isn't it? Just have a look at the setup. Come and have a look at the setup I've got.
Just don't look at the ground.
Don't put it to the ground because it's dirty. These will all be cleaned out.
This is the setup of Kenny. Yeah, it's the setup.
In there, and underneath is the benzene live.
It's in light.
So, there's the clock.
That's the clock.
And this is the power source, which is a battery as well down here.
Is it 12 volts or?
Main, yeah, for 12 volt. Straight, and down here's the.
That's the benzene clock.
So,
And that's the pad. Oh, they put plywood in the pad as well, eh?
no, that's that concrete board stuff. But the pads over there. Boom.
Easy.
Easy peasy.
Simple lang yung lock niya.
So they must be trapped in that trapping box before they'll clock in. missing.
Yan na, nagpa-fly lock siya. Yan yung... The next race is 200 kilometers, eh?
Yeah. It's just around the corner, it's not far at all.
It's like additional 15.
Who's taking them?
Right.
Oh, it's Christchurch taking them.
Yan guys.
That's the mother of your bird there, just going in now. See her go here? That's the mother of your red youngster.
Yeah, in the right side.
Yeah, on the right side.
Yeah, yeah.
Hey, Blazer.
I should, but I haven't named her because she was feeding this youngster. When I lost the cock, I stopped. I thought, oh, I better not.
Ito, yan yung nanay niyang, yan yung nanay na binigay niya sa akin. Yan yung nanay ng sisiw na to, tingnan niyo. Ito. Yan. Yan siya.